Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an essential guide for you, one that every pallet jack operator should know. How to replace dead electric pallet jack battery. A properly functioning battery is the lifeblood of your electric pallet jack, and in this video, we'll show you how to troubleshoot battery problems and guide you through the step-by-step process of removing the old battery and installing a new one. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to handle this task yourself, potentially saving you time and money. Let's start by discussing how to troubleshoot battery problems in your electric pallet jack. If you've noticed reduced runtime, sluggish performance, or your pallet jack not starting, these are signs that your battery might be discharged or dead. To check your pallet jack battery, use a voltmeter or a multimeter. You can connect the probes to the positive and negative terminals of the battery and measure the voltage. A fully charged 24-volt battery should have a reading of 24.6 volts approximately. If the reading is lower than 24 volts, your battery is likely discharged and needs to be recharged or replaced. If your battery is dead and needs to be replaced, join us as we guide you through the steps to remove and install your electric pallet jack's battery. First of all, always prioritize safety. Ensure your pallet jack is powered off and disconnected with any power source. Also, make sure you work in a well-ventilated area and away from any sources of sparks or flames. Now, let's move on to the steps to remove the dead electric pallet jack battery. Locate the battery compartment on the electric pallet jack. It is usually located under the operator's platform or the body compartment. Remove any screws or bolts that secure the battery cover or lid and set them aside. Carefully lift up the battery cover or lid and place it somewhere safe. Disconnect the positive and negative terminals of the battery. Make sure you remember the connections or take a picture for reference. Carefully lift up the battery and slide it out of the compartment. If accessible, use any roller bed to slide out the battery, like Track Exchange TU roller bed extraction. Dispose of the old battery properly according to local regulations. Now, let's go through the steps to install the new battery. Here's how you can safely install the new battery. Carefully slide the new battery into the compartment and align it with the terminals. Reconnect the positive and negative battery terminals. Make sure you follow the correct polarity and avoid any loose connections. Replace or reinsert the battery cover or lid and fasten it with screws or bolts. Turn on the electric pallet jack and test it for functionality. And that's it. You have successfully replaced the battery of your electric pallet jack. If you need a reliable battery replacement, remember to check out Pallet Jackson for high-quality options. Our website serves as the ultimate hub for top-quality pallet jack parts, including batteries. Whether you need AGM, VRLA, or lithium-ion batteries along with their associated accessories such as battery connectors, chargers, or any other related items, we've got you covered, all at competitive prices in the market. Make Pallet Jackson your go-to resource for every pallet jack needs. The link to our website is in the description. Please make sure to visit. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on how to maintain and repair your electric pallet jacks.